Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving ownership. This matters because Google prevents deletions without strong verification. Sign in or choose Recover Account and provide the most recent password, recovery email, and phone. Once done, make sure the device you use has been used to access the account recently. This increases success. Also decide whether you want permanent deletion or just to pause. Permanent removes mail, drive files, and purchased content. Confirm that you've backed up anything needed before moving to the delete flow. You now follow Google's delete flow to remove the account. Open Google Account Settings, choose Data and Privacy, then delete your Google account, verify identity when prompted, use two-step or recovery options. Read the list of items that will be removed: Gmail, Drive, photos, purchases, and subscriptions. Once you've downloaded a takeout archive and resolved subscriptions, accept the deletion checkboxes and confirm. Keep an eye for confirmations and the final warning about irretrievable data before you submit the request. Complete the deletion by submitting the confirmation. You'll receive an email to your recovery address. Once done, the account enters deletion and many services stop immediately, though propagation can take days. If Google blocks deletion due to suspicious activity, wait 24 to 72 hours and retry from the same device and network with the same IP to improve verification signals. If problems persist, run the account recovery flow again and revoke third-party app access beforehand. This often clears block.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.